This is the body cream, moisturizing and softening for all skin types, and it's part of our basics line. This rich body cream is packed full of the absolute best ingredients that the Armenian highlands have to offer. Pictured is the pomegranate. We've used pomegranate oil, which is very rich in omega-5, to really repair, heal, and moisturize the skin. It is also an ingredient that is very rich in skin protective antioxidants. We've also used apricot oil, Armenia's other national fruit, which is very rich in phytosterols, which also have an incredible antioxidant effect. To give the cream a heavier, more buttery texture, we've used shea butter, an emollient butter that gives the skin a soft, smooth feel. And lastly, rose and linseed essential oils give a cheerful scent, and they also help to tone and tighten the skin. The body cream is best used when the skin is damp. After a shower, for example. Simply apply it in gentle circular motions to your skin until it's all absorbed. It can also double as a hand cream